Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You cannot be shown how to bypass WhatsApp verification. It's a security control meant to protect accounts. Instead, start by confirming you control the phone number. Check SIM status and signal. Once done, use the app's built-in request code via SMS or call because those are the supported recovery paths. Make sure to have access to any backup codes or the email linked to two-step verification and gather proof of identity if you need to contact support. Once you request the code, wait the full timeout and do not flood requests. Too many attempts trigger delays. If you set two-step verification, retrieve your recovery email or use the PIN you saved. That restores access without bypassing protections. If your SIM was lost or transferred, contact your carrier to reissue the number, then request the WhatsApp code. Make sure to use the same phone number format plus country code when entering it in the app. After you receive a valid code, enter it promptly and restore from your cloud or local backup if needed. If the code never arrives, check that you entered the number with the correct country code, toggle airplane mode to reset network, and ensure SMS/call services are active. If problems persist, contact WhatsApp support with your device model, app version, and any purchase or account proof. They can guide legitimate recovery. Do not attempt unauthorized work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.